Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an IoT app with Azure IoT Hub, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy an IoT app with Azure IoT Hub, start by creating an Azure account if you don't have one. Visit the Azure portal and sign in. In the Azure portal, search for IoT Hub in the search bar. Click on Create IoT Hub to start the process. Fill in the required details such as subscription, resource group, and region. Choose an appropriate pricing tier based on your needs. Review the settings and click Create to provision your IoT Hub. Once the deployment is complete, navigate to your IoT Hub in the Azure portal. Next, click on IoT Devices in the left menu. Select New to register a new IoT device. Enter a device ID and select authentication type, preferably symmetric key. Click Save to register your device. Download the Azure IoT SDK for your preferred programming language from GitHub. Follow the installation instructions to set up the SDK on your machine. Open your Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, and create a new project. Add the Azure IoT SDK as a dependency in your project. Use the sample code provided in the SDK to establish a connection to your IoT Hub. Insert your IoT Hub connection string and device ID into the code. Implement telemetry data within your application to send data to the Azure IoT Hub. Run your application code to start sending telemetry data to your IoT Hub. Monitor the data flow by returning to the Azure portal and viewing your IoT Hub metrics. Use the IoT Hub Query feature to analyze the data stored in the hub. You can also implement device-to-cloud communication using Azure Functions for further processing. Finally, ensure that your application is tested thoroughly for both functionality and security. Once you're satisfied with the deployment, you can scale your IoT solutions as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.